Hi all, my name is Vipul Kumar Goyal and welcome to Kismat Guru. Today we are going to talk about the new year 2022. 2022 is a combination of 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 that is equal to 6, and number 6 is denoted by a guru and a most beautiful planet Venus. So what all 2022 is going to bring in our lives? Opportunities. 2022 will bring a lot of opportunities at workplace, new jobs, promotions, increment, new business, new life partners, new business partners, expansion in the family, because 2022 in the second quarter is also going to be governed by Guru. So expansion in the family, natural karak of kids, so new babies in the family, not Venus. Other Guru is going to play a role. Jupiter is going to play a role in 2022. That I will cover in a separate video. So opportunities will come, grab those opportunities in 2020. India will create a lot of opportunities in 2020. A lot of jobs will come in 2022 in India. A lot of beautification will happen in 2022 at your home, at your workplace, renovations. You can go for new offices, new homes, and buy new vehicles. So expect a boom in automobile industry. We can also expect a boom in travel industry, aviation industry. But maybe due to COVID, there can be restrictions, but still Venus is going to bring transformation in the aviation industry. So we can expect some revival of airlines, formation of new airlines, joint ventures in airlines, old airlines getting started. All this can happen in 2022 because Venus. Venus is also a planet which can give you a better in health, a medicinal planet. So we can all expect a kind of a wonder drug in 2022, which can cure a chronic disease. That is the beauty of Venus, and along with the other gurus going to take part in 2022. So world can experience a wonder drug can be launched in 2022. As Venus is a very sophisticated and beautiful planet, so I also say that people to take care of their partners, not argue with their partner, because it can also lead to breakup in relationships, breakup in partnerships, business partners getting closed, partnerships getting affected. We can see some top personalities of the country faces challenges in their personal relationships. Venus will also create a lot of opportunity in food industry. A lot of food joints, restaurants will open in 2022. A lot of new parlors can open in 2022. A lot of beauty business can grow in 2022. So what people should do in 2022 is pamper themselves, visit parlor, or pamper your body, make Venus happy. Wear good clothes, buy good clothes, use good perfumes in 2022. One remedy I would like to share is that from today, or whatever day you feel is okay for you, start eating 1 carrot every day till end of February, or drink carrot juice every day till end of February, till when the carrots are available in the market. This is the beauty of Venus, which is going to help you to rejuvenate yourself for the next year 2022. And this remedy is going to work for everybody. So let's welcome 2022 with our both hands in terms of opportunities in a positive manner, and make this 2022 as an happening year for all of us, with family, with work, with partners, with a grace of smile and beauty in your life. Thank you so much. Look forward to see you with the next video, where I would like to cover the birth numbers 1 to 9 and the roles of these birth numbers in 2022. Till then, goodbye, and wishing you a very happy and prosperous 2020. Thank you so much.